channel, MENG, and today we're going to be doing a macro beauty shot. And I'm going to be taking you through the steps on how you can acquire these type of shots without studio in your own home. So the first thing we're going to be using is a Canon 6D. Is a full frame camera, and with that I'm going to attach the 100mm macro 2.8 L series lens. Canon does make a 2.8 non-IS. I'm going to be using the IS version. Also, we're just going to be using a softbox, which is going to be the Octabox right here that I have. I think this is 36 inches if I'm not mistaken. And this is just a pretty standard Neewer brand softbox, super cheap. Get it on Amazon. And then we're attached to that we have the Flashpoint 600B. And that is a battery powered Monolight, and it gets me about 600 watts, which is very, very powerful, which is really good for when you're doing macro shots, because you're gonna wanna have your aperture all the way to f16 or f22, because with macro, the closer you get to your subject, the thinner the depth of field is, and it gets everything like super blurry and out of focus. So you're gonna wanna shoot at f16 or f22. I think I'm gonna stick to f16 for this one. I'm gonna see what is in focus, or if everything's in focus, or if I have to step all the way to f22. And I will put the exact settings for each picture under the photo. So pretty much with macro beauty, it's all about the makeup. Make sure that you hire a good makeup artist that does very good clean skin work, because with macro you're gonna see every single pore. You don't want cakey foundation because it'll show. And also get somebody that it's very creative, because with these close-up shots you want to like just have tons of creativity so that you can make it interesting. You want some texture on the makeup so that the macro really picks that up. And that's really it. I will be showing you the different setup when I'm doing. I'll actually show you the camera. All right, so here we have our setup. Again, I'm using just the standard trigger that comes with the Flashpoint 600B and my 2.8 macro, and we're gonna shoot it at f16. I also use my Flashpoint Sekonic meter to meter my light. You can meter also by chimping the back of your screen and see how it looks, but I actually like perfect settings, perfect exposure, so I use my Sekonic Lightmeter, which I just have the cheap 308S. Oh, yeah, I almost forgot. Let me introduce you to my model and makeup artist, and maybe they can tell me their Instagram so you can follow them.
I'm Brianna from Beauty by Brianna. My Instagram handle is Beauty by Brianna with one N, MUA. So Beauty by Brianna, MUA.
And I'm Melinda Sabina, and my Instagram is @MelindaBubbles.
Hi guys, so we just finished shooting the first look, and we shot them. I actually ended up switching settings. I shot that at ISO 100, 125th of a second, and f-stop was aperture 11. What we got. So now we're working onto the second eye. Yeah, so we're just touching up because it was messy, but so fun. We're finished with our shoot, and this is our last picture that we got of the day. All the settings pretty much stay the same, and I'm going to input the photos in the video with all the settings. And thanks for watching. Bye.